Hey, what's going on everybody? Josh here with Scrapyard Films, and today I got another VEGAS Pro video for you. In this one, I'm going to be going over VEGAS Hub, explaining what it is, how to use it, and some cool things about it. Now, VEGAS Hub is a new addition to the VEGAS line, which is basically royalty-free stock content, an online cloud storage subscription service, and a mobile app that all sync to VEGAS all simultaneously. And if you head over to the product comparison page on VEGAS's website, you'll see that this is all for the subscription versions of VEGAS Edit, Pro, or Post. There's different levels to this based upon which version of VEGAS that you bought. You can see that if you purchase VEGAS Edit, you'll get 20 gigabytes of cloud storage and up to 20 assets per month of royalty-free stock content. If you get VEGAS Pro, you will get 50 gigabytes of cloud storage and unlimited HD royalty-free stock content. And if you get VEGAS Post, you'll get 100 gigabytes of cloud storage and unlimited 4K stock content. So assuming you got the subscription to either Edit, Pro, or Post, let's jump inside VEGAS. To start this off, at the very top, you'll see a new button that says VEGAS Hub Login. If you go ahead and select that, it's going to prompt you for your Magix login credentials, whatever email and password you use to register the software. Go ahead and enter that and hit continue. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll see VEGAS Hub log out there. That means you're totally good. VEGAS Hub is logged in on your software. Next, to show VEGAS Hub, you'll want to go over to View, Window, and then select VEGAS Hub. That will load up the new VEGAS Hub window, which has 3 buttons on it currently. Let's start by clicking VEGAS Content. When you select that, it's going to have a user agreement that you want to continue with. And then you'll see a big arsenal of stock content right here. And a lot of it's categorized with cinematic, aerial, drone. They have some trending, motion backgrounds, things like that. If you wanted to search for something specific, you can go to the top search bar and type in anything, let's say like drone footage. If I select that, it's going to populate a ton of drone footage under video, and then you could filter it out with different durations, content type, details, resolution, frame rate, all sorts of filtering you could do. Next, we could change our search music to, let's say, rock music. And then it's going to show a bunch of videos of rock music. Now we can change that to audio and then research and find stuff like that too. But you have a big arsenal of different audio types that you can look for as well in here. All of it is royalty free and included in the subscription, so you can use it on your products because you're paying for it. Next, we have a My Profile button. When you select that, it'll tell you all the details of your subscription service. Next, we have the community button, and if you click that, it'll take you to the VEGAS forums where thousands of people have tons of conversations all the time about all things VEGAS, answer lots of questions, and have a ton of helpful information. So let's say I want to go ahead and choose this light number 5 countdown thing. When you select some content, it'll take you to the next page, which has a download button, and depending on the content, you may have a lot of options here. This has .move and MP4 from 4K to 720p, but some content may not have all these options. So I'm going to choose MP4. And when you select it, it starts the download, and you can see it downloaded in that little bar down there. Next, if you want to see where your content goes after you download it, if you go to View, go to Window, and then type in Hub Explorer, this is basically going to be where all of your mobile uploads and VEGAS content downloads will land. This little window has a couple little cool features, like if you select your content and then hit the play button, you can preview it right in your video preview right there. See what it looks like without dragging it onto your timeline. But if you did want to drag it on your timeline, it's as simple as clicking, dragging, hitting yes, and then it's on your timeline. You can use it. Next, let's download VEGAS Hub on your smartphone, take a video, and then upload that to your VEGAS timeline. So go to your Google Play Store or your App Store and search for VEGAS Hub. You'll see its little purple icon currently. Click it, hit install, and let it do its thing. Once it's installed, open it up, and go ahead and log in with your Magix credentials. After that, you got to accept the license agreement, and then you're going to see that your storage is empty. Head on over to your camera function, and then let's go ahead and take a video of something. I'm going to take a video of my Scrapyard Films mask, which you can purchase if you want. Not that exact mask, of course, but, different masks to stay safe. Once you're done making your video, go ahead and go back to the VEGAS Hub app, hit upload, allow it to have access to your files because you'll need that if you're going to upload files that you've captured on your device. Select your video file, and then hit upload. You'll see the progress go all the way to the end, and once it's done, go back to VEGAS Pro on your computer, go to the mobile uploads, and you will see your video right there. When you select it, VEGAS is going to let you know that you have to sync it to your computer, which basically means your computer has to download it from VEGAS's cloud storage. So go ahead and hit OK, and right-click on the content, and then hit sync. And then it's going to download it to your computer. Next, you can just drag and drop it onto your timeline like normal. An extremely efficient way of getting videos and content from your mobile device to your VEGAS timeline. And that's going to go ahead and wrap up this overview of Vegas Hub. If this video helped you out, be sure to shoot a like and subscribe to the bottom right, and I'll see you guys in the next video. And I want to give a special shout out to all my legendary scrappers at the top, LMC and Hardy Cash. You can find links to their channels and social media in the description below. And thanks to all my super scrappers there in the middle and my awesome scrappers at the bottom.